Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. How are we doing? Welcome to today's live trading session. We do this every Thursday, coming live here to share our setups with you guys, analyze the charts, and make money together. So, if this is your first time, of course, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and come on, let's go make some money, right? So, normally we let's give a few minutes for people to join, for more people to join the live session. So we'll be going straight to the chat in like 5 minutes. So let's just wait for more people to join so that we can move straight to the charts and let's get on with making money. Okay. So for those of you meeting me for the first time or probably seeing my face for the first time, my name is Charles Akam, popularly called FXDaddy. And my business is to make sure that you are making money forex. So that's what I do. I'm here to make sure that you are making money. Okay. So if you know anybody that should be here, that is yet to be here, anybody that is yet to join us live, let them know that we are live and we have started. And we're about to start sharing some money. Okay. Anybody that you know that should be here, that is here to join, let them know that we're about to start sharing money now. And they'll be missing in action. Okay. I'm excited, super excited. It's going to be an amazing day. All right, so let's just wait for a few more people to join. Let's just wait for a few more people to join, and then we can get started. I'm just checking on Facebook, checking on checking on Facebook, checking on YouTube, just to be sure everything is good. Let's go. Somebody's asking on Facebook, I really need a one-on-one mentor here in Port Harcourt. Bro, am I supposed to come to Port Harcourt to mentor you? I don't know any mentor in Port Harcourt, at least not for now. So you might want to locate the closest, Forex Trading Academy to you, and register with them and learn. Okay. So this live sessions is not to teach Forex, it's basically to just do analysis with you guys and give you guys signals, and then we make money. Simple and short. It's our goal here is simple: make money, nothing else. Okay. So once you join, please share the link, copy the link, share it on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook story. Let everybody know that we are live. Okay. Let everybody know that we are live and we're about to start cashing out ASAP. All right. So share the link, 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 everybody. Share the link, everybody. Let everybody know that we are live. Okay. So in the next 2 minutes, we'll be going straight to the charts and then we'll make some money. So if you need to make any preparation, if you're watching this with a smartphone, you might want to get maybe your another phone that you can use to execute straight up. So once I call a signal, you don't need to log out of the live session in order to execute, then come back again. That might delay you a little bit. So you might want to get everything ready, get your system ready, get your laptop ready. Um, let's make money, okay? Ah, amazing, amazing, amazing. So once you join, please let everybody know that you have joined and you're live with us. Okay. So please tell us your name and your where you're joining us from in the comment section. Let me give you guys a shout out. Then we'll move straight into the chat and let's go do some cashing to the out. Okay. Once you join, let everybody know. Let's know where you're joining us from, so I can give you guys a shout out, and then we'll dive straight to the chats. Okay. So make sure you've dropped your name and your location where you're joining us from in the comment section. Let me give everyone a shout out. Okay. All right. So currently we have over 55 people joining already. So let's go. So good morning, everyone, once again. So Chi Cornelius, good to see you. Good morning. Ayula Favor, I love your videos. Thank you. Jide Faleye, good morning. Emmanuel Emori, good morning. James Mary Augustine Benjamin, good morning. Talented Joel, good morning. Oche Slims, good morning. Adelusi, good morning. Hassan Big Man, good morning. How can I get access to your mentorship? I'll talk about that maybe later. Good morning, amazing Chimezie Kechuku Vincent. Good morning, good morning. Lucy Ocheja, big fan CY. Enyang Samuel joining for the first time. Shout out to first timers in the house. If you're a first timer, cheers to you. We do this every Thursday, so you don't miss out. If you've not been joining our live stream, you're probably leaving a lot of knowledge and a lot of money on the table, because this is a combination of both live trading and live training. Okay, so I try my best to pass out a lot of knowledge while we're doing these sessions. Okay, so it's beyond analysis. You also learn a lot. So go ahead, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Okay. So Onyi, good morning. Good to see you. Bright Obiocha. FXDaddy with the pamper. Yeah, always. Thank you. Jide, good morning. I would like to ask what and what you saw before placing the GBP trade. Okay, maybe we'll do a reverse analysis this morning. Bright, good morning again. Adelusi, James, okay. I've given everybody here a shout out already. Okay. J Adigun, Harrison from Port Harcourt, Patrick Williams, Oluwatosin from Ondo State, Quiet SP, good to see you. True Revival, good morning. First time to, you're welcome. Dozy Gio, good morning, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Please announce the location of your office in Abuja. Is that Sutri at Disa Plaza? David Age Crescent. Let me type it. Okay. So for those of you that want to come for Forex clinic sessions, this is the venue. So this is where we are in Abuja. So consider coming for our Forex clinic sections. Is absolutely free. What we basically do at Forex Clinic is we just trade together, but it's not a teaching. We just trade together. So it's a good place to meet fellow traders, hang around with fellow traders, learn from fellow traders. So why not? You should be at our floor. You should be at our trading floor. It's a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun. Trust me. So you should be there. Okay. All right. So that said, let's dive into the chart. So before we dive into the chart, we have 3 powerful disclaimers for you guys. 3 amazing disclaimers. Number 1 is our win rate is 70%. This means 2 things. It means, number 1, that 75% of the time that will be correct. 75% of the time, thereabout, will be definitely correct on analysis. But it also means that 25% of the time that we might be wrong. 30% of the time we might be wrong, and we might make loss. Okay. Forex is a game of probabilities. You guys should already know that by now. So we rely on probabilities to make money in Forex. So that behooves you to trade with what you are willing to lose. Okay, make sure you're not risking all your money on one single trade. Okay, Make sure you're not risking your money on one single trade. That's the second disclaimer. um I see people once in a while, they come to my DM, they'll be like, I lost my account following your signal. Bro, why are you losing all your money in one single trade? It doesn't make it's not wise. In a game of probabilities, why will you be risking all your money in one single trade? There's no one single trade that will change your life. So as much as for, please risk what you're willing to lose. Okay. Then final disclaimer is that our my style of trading, my analysis might not be same with yours. My style of analysis might not be exactly same with what your mentor has taught you. So that doesn't mean that your mentor is a better trader. That doesn't mean I'm a better trader. It simply means that we just have different style of trading. So as much as possible, as much as possible, please take note of that. So if my analysis doesn't make any sense to you, I mean, feel free to move. But if it does make sense to you, of course, give the video a thumbs up and come on, trade with us. Okay, we make money here every week. So the videos are always recorded here, so you can always go back to the videos to watch and verify the things I'm saying. When I say 70% of our trading signals, our trading setups are correct, 70%. I mean, you can go verify those for yourself. The videos are here for you. Okay, so don't take my word for it. Go do the back test. So that's somebody saying I should start already, bro. I thought you said it's your first time here, Fever. You just told me it's your first time. We don't hurry here. Everything here, we take time because we're here to make money. We're not here to rush. We're not gamblers. So we take our time. All right. So I take time to do some form of education before we go into the market so that we know what to expect. Okay. So that said, you guys know what it is. Guys, you guys know the time. You guys know what it is. So come on, guys. You guys should type that stuff on the comment section now. Type that stuff on the comment section. Let's put out some energy. You guys know OG is in the house. Type it on the comment section now. I won't say what it is, but OG is in the house. Type it on the comment section because I know some newbies will be like, what's he saying? You guys should type. You guys know what I'm saying. Type it now on the chat. Type it on the chat. Type it on the chat. Let's move some energy. Let's move the energy now to level 120%. OGs. I can see some OGs in the house. Newbies can't relate. First timers can't relate, but OGs can relate. So come on, guys. Put up the energy. Let's go. Let's pump. Let's pump the energy so that we can go and print. Come on. OGs. I can see some OGs in the house. OGs. Money must be made. Come on. 100%. Somebody said, hi, FXDaddy. Good to be happy. First time, I would love to be noticed. Yeah. You are fully noticed. Gregory and Ekwe, thank you for joining. You are fully acknowledged. So we have some refreshments for first timers. So just wait to the end of the training, then we'll give you some refreshment for you so you can refresh yourself. Okay. All right, so let's move to the charts now. The energy is up. Come on, guys. Let's go. All right, so I don't know. My mouse just this morning just started. I don't know, has just been misbehaving. I can't drag some things. I can't move some things around very well. It's just lagging. I've changed the battery. It's still not giving me what I want. I don't know why. But however, I'll try to manage with all of this. Okay. So for those somebody was asking about the GBP trade. Maybe I'll just do a reverse analysis on where it was. God. I can't even do a Ctrl Z on this chart again because I had to restart my laptop many times to see whether it can work. But all the same, maybe I'll just do the reverse analysis later. But let's just start with analysis, okay? I'll do this later. My mouse has just been like giving me negative energy since this morning. I don't know. Maybe I have to change the mouse or I've changed the battery, still not doing anything more. So let's check the news. Of course, you guys know before you start any analysis for the day, you must go over here. Go to investing.com or my FX book or Forex Factory or anywhere you can get the news, trades, wherever. Just be sure that just to give you a heads up about what we have coming. So today we have some good news coming. Not too shaky though, but then of course have potential to influence the market very much, which is like the Um, Initial jobless claims coming out by 1:30, and we also have S&P Global Services PMI coming out by 14:45. That's like 2:45. The new home sales like by 3 p.m. So, but not much, not to worry. They are not. It won't be a problem. It won't be a threat to us. Okay. So let's start analysis with Euro to the GBP. Let's see what's happening on GBP. So starting analysis from a daily time frame. Um, you can clearly agree with me that this trade, this GBP, Euro GBP, is looking like it's broken and ready to move to the upside because, God, sorry guys, sorry. This, if you notice any lagging, it's from my mouse. Please, you can blame my mouse, no problem. So if you notice, if I put a horizontal ray here, you notice that we've had a break and close below this support from well over here. You could argue that the support is here, okay, and you could say that the support is yet to be broken. But the way I trade, the way I see trading, the way I analyze the market, in my own sincere opinion, this market is definitely heading for a break to the downside from all the indications. Because if you look at this from a 4-hour time frame, you can see that the major support level, this support level, which is also a key level, has been tested multiple times in the market, as you can see. God, this is my mouse. Tested multiple times in the market. God, I don't know that I should use my hand on this screen. Okay, so tested here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and the market just broke that level early hours of yesterday, and then into this morning, the market is doing a rally upward. So, going down to a lower time frame, I'm specifically going to be looking for a down trending opportunity. I'm seeing that the next liquidity block I'm seeing here is somewhere around this level here. Okay, so I'm seeing some minor ones maybe around the zone, but I'm not interested in all of that because I want to get the market at the best possible level. Now, if we move over to a daily time frame, you can see that this level I just marked out right now will probably coincide with a Fibonacci level. If we test, I've not done that, but if we test it, I can assure you that it would, because based on experience, I know this. I mean, this will be the case. God, even Fibonacci is not drawing very well. I don't. What do you guys think is wrong with this mouse? I don't know. I'm trying to drag. It's not dragging. Jeez. Okay. Let me just use my hand, guys. So, as you can see, if we move the Fibonacci from a swing high to swing low here, we're seeing that this liquidity block we just raised in between 38 and 52% retracement, which is very, very amazing, which makes a lot of sense because this is a very good place for me to actually decide to go for a sell. If I'm actually interested in this sell. So this is my zone of interest as far as this trade is concerned, until this market gets to somewhere around this level and I see some selling pressure from here. This is where I'll be most likely want to sell. Okay, so so this is my zone of interest. So for now, I don't think there's much I'm willing to do on Euro GBP until it gets to this level for now. So I'll just flag this and then we'll just keep watching it, see how it goes going forward. Okay. Okay, good. I'm checking on the chat to be sure you guys are not saying anything that I'm not hearing. Uh, Sorry, guys. Just give me 2 seconds. Let me just check on our guys on Facebook to be sure that everybody's following. Okay. I think everywhere is good. Okay, everywhere good. Everywhere is good. All right, so let's go. So Euro GBP, this is where our zone of interest is. So for now, we're not doing much on Euro GBP. Now let's move to let's check on GBP USD. GBP USD has been rallying for quite a long time. Okay. I think I'll just use my hand, guys. Forgive me, guys, but I think I just have to use my hand because I don't know what I'm doing with this mouse. So on a daily time frame, we are seeing that this market on the daily time frame has been definitely rallying, and all indications are still pointing that this market is possibly still on an uptrend, and we are not seeing any downward pressure, at least not anytime soon, from what I'm seeing here. Because a daily time frame is still, if you just observe the candlestick, this is still pretty looking much like an uptrend. So if you scale down to a 4 hour time frame with that in mind, this is where our next liquidity block, the one I'm most of course that there are minor ones over here, but this is the one I'm most interested in. And also yeah, this is the liquidity block I'm most interested in right now, somewhere here below here. So let me put this out of the way. So I'll be willing to enter a buying opportunity here. We might place a pending order. Let me scale down to a 1 hour time frame and see what it's looking like. And then okay, this looks good. Good enough, good enough. Yeah, good enough. Let me check again on the 4 hour time frame. um so I'm willing to go, still going on a buy on on Euro USD. So this is my zone. This is where I'm seeing possible liquidity blocks below this, around this level here. So somewhere here would be a good place to put a pending order, but I'll decide that when we are done. You guys know how, we're doing it now. So we'll first of all do all the analysis, and then unless we see an instant execution, then we do an instant execution. But most time we use pending orders. Okay, so for now, GBP USD, I'll just have to flag this red so that we can check on this before the end of the live session, and possibly put a pending buy limit order here, because I'm seeing something very interesting around the zone. I might not go fully into details about all the trading strategy, how everything works, of course, because that won't be fair to students who are actually paying for this. But at least I know they know what I'm saying. They can relate better what I'm saying. But I'm saying something very interesting below this level, and I'm very keen to enter a buy limit order somewhere around this level. So let's see how it goes. Before the end of this live session, we'll make a decision on that, and I'll call a signal on this. Okay. So let's check on Euro AUD. Euro AUD seems to be one of my favorite trades, recently, because it has made me money back to back to back. Although I lost some money on this trade yesterday, we entered a pending order where I think this has actually shifted, because, or did it? I think this has shifted, yeah, because we entered a pending order. I think here, yeah. We entered the pending order here. Did this guy just shift now? Ah, God, my mouse is not allowing me to drag things, but it's okay. So this is where we entered a pending order here, but we hit stop loss as of yesterday. Although I sent a recovery signal to this on GBP NZD, which ended up giving us 1:2, very decent risk to reward, that covered up for the losses. So, but however, let's start the analysis from a daily time frame. Let's see what's happening. So Euro GBP is still looking to me pretty much like a downtrend, because we are yet to break and close, do a proper break and close above this level here. This bro, we had to do a proper break and close above this level here. So I can still say this is still a downtrend, probably a liquidity graph about to happen in order to move this market to the downside. But of course, you can't be so sure, because I just don't like the fact that after this market moved into this liquidity, there was no very aggressive push to the downside. The market just pushed down. This is what I'm saying. Let me show you exactly what I'm saying. So after the market typed into the liquidity block here, all the way from where it came from, we didn't see. I was expecting, if this liquidity block was very good and the market maybe wanted to do a liquidity grab, the drop would have been more massive than this. But the market just moved a little bit down. Then again, I mean, as if you're not afraid of this liquidity level. I mean, if you're here for liquidity grab, I mean, do your stuff and move all the way down. So I'm a bit skeptical that this might still happen. So that's why I'm not going to be doing anything on Euro AUD, at least not for now, until I see that this market is doing what it actually came here to do, or what I'm suspecting is here to do, which is a liquidity grab so that we can move all the way down. Because if you scale down, if you zoom past to a daily time frame, I'm seeing that this level, which if okay, it's not a multi-year low, but however, I'm seeing that this market is slowly making its way down to this level here, this 1.6164 level. So it's very possible that this market has a high chance of still coming down. And on the daily time frame, as I showed you, this resistance level here has not been broken through, so this market might still fall. So that's why I'm expecting a liquidity grab here, which is not just responding as I would love it to. So for now, I'll just keep my hands in my pockets on Euro AUD and just watch how it goes. Okay. So let's head to Eurocard. Let's check on Eurocard. Let's see what's happening on Eurocard. Now, you have a currency pair that you want us to check out. Please let me know on the chat. I would let me type it on the chat. Let me check it out and then let's do analysis on it. Okay. Or if you're seeing a because this is a general trading. Okay. So if you're seeing a trading opportunity, or if you're seeing a trading setup that you think that might make sense, please give us type something in the comment section and tell us what you're seeing so that we can analyze it together. So if you're seeing, let's say, buy on GBP AUD or AUD USD, tell us on the chat. Okay, you don't need to justify, just tell us AUD USD buy or Euro USD sell, then we'll just look at it. If it makes sense, then we can trade. If it doesn't, to me, it might make sense to you. I might not always be correct, like I said, so it might make sense to you, but we'll just analyze it together. And then if it's something that corresponds with my trading strategy, we'll call it a signal, and then we trade it together. Okay. So let me look through what you guys are saying on chat. First time on the stream and on the back. Failed 7 FTMO challenges this week. Came on here to pass my challenge signals and been nothing but clown chat. Bro, please feel free to leave, man. I mean, that's no problem. It's not a fault that I failed 7, 8 FTMO challenges. I mean, you need to be a good trader to pass a challenge. So, I mean, you don't pass a challenge with signals. Okay. Let's say your damn strategy, bro. Just get out from here, bro. It looks sweet. Blah 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 blah. What's the time frame? AUD card. Okay, so let's check on AUD card. Please, you guys should just pay no attention to this guy. I mean, I don't have time for this kind of energy. AUD card. Let's check on AUD card and then let's move. So on the daily time frame on AUD card, we are seeing that we are definitely still on an uptrend. The market is still giving us, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Then scale down to a 4-hour time frame. Okay, I'm a bit discouraged looking at the 4-hour time frame because it's breaking a lot of structures. It's breaking this. Okay, we're seeing a break and close below this support, which is indicative that this market might break to the downside. So it's something I really don't want to see if I'm already seeing an uptrend on the daily time frame. So for now, I don't think there's much that we can do on AUD card. Unless maybe you want to scalp this, maybe you want to scalp it to the downside. It might make sense because possibly this market might get to this next liquidity block here. So if you want to scalp this to the downside, it might make sense to you. That's fine, but that's not really my trading style. So that's why I'm not going to be doing that. Okay. So for those that want to scalp to the downside, I want to push this market all the way down here. All right. So let's move to Floki USDT, bro. I don't trade crypto. GBP NZD. So let's check on GBP NZD. GBP to the NZD. So GBP NZD on a daily time frame. Good. So GBP NZD on the daily time frame. This was I called this setup for you guys on Tuesday, right? On Tuesday, I told you guys I was selling GBP NZD, which played out excellently nice, and we made some profits early hours of this morning. I'm still positive that this sale will continue to happen. Hello. I'm still positive that this sale will continue to happen because we still have some space to travel to the downside. We still have some unmitigated, yeah, unmitigated level, yeah, all the way, yeah. So very possible that this market might still push down all the way down. Okay, so let's see what we have on the 4 hour time frame. Let's see whether we can see a setup. Okay, I think this is still our best bet. This is still our best liquidity block here, this level here. So if we're going to be placing a sell limit order, for instance, on this chart, it's definitely still going to be here. We made some profit already, took a 1:2 risk to reward trade here. I think we still put another sell limit order here because this is actually going to still hold down for many reasons. Another reason why I'm very positive that this is looking for an opportunity to sell is because see all this, see this liquidity grab under here, and the market just ended up coming here to meet another block of order, and I still started heading down. So with this energy, if this market was about to reverse to the upside, I mean, this would have been no match. This liquidity block here would have probably been no match. But the fact that it met this liquidity after all this energy, this is what I'm saying. This here, this long week you're seeing on the 4 hour time frame. Of course, it was news, yeah. So with this, I would have expected that this market will probably just, because there's a lot of liquidity. If you're grabbing liquidity from below here, I mean, that's enough energy to push you all the way up. Why is this my stuff not moving? I mean, all the way up, break above this, and then change the trend. But with the reaction that happened on this zone here, much more positive that this sell is still about to happen. So we'll probably still place a sell limit order here. So let's go ahead and market. Okay, so very soon, by the time towards the ending of this, that's in the next, let's say 10-15 minutes, we already have GBP USD and we have GBP NZD. So would make a decision on these two and then we'll place pending order. That will be the last thing that we'll do before we end the live trading session, because I don't want us to start placing the trade. It might take some time because me placing the order takes a lot of time. Okay, gold. Why is everybody saying gold, gold, gold? I've just been trying to avoid saying anything on gold, but all right, let's trade gold. Let's see what's happening on gold. So for OGs in the house, you guys know that I personally have a beef with gold because I mean I just have, I mean, kind of what's it called, I had a bad experience with gold in my early years of trading. So since then I just avoid gold with all my energy. Okay, I just avoid goals. Who is this guy spamming the Facebook chat with link? You guys should be careful. Please don't click any link that is not originating from us. All right. So I had a very bad experience with gold. That's why I don't trade it. But however, let's analyze gold. Let's see what we have. Now, gold is still pretty much on an uptrend, as you're seeing on the daily time frame. Now, if you were at the live session last week, I marked out this level, I think here and here. I think it was last week or last 2 weeks when we analyzed. Somebody said we should analyze gold. I marked out this level. I told you guys that gold will probably come back to this level. If it happens to break below this level, to come back to this level, and this is where I'll be most interested to go in for a buy. Now that still stands because we are pretty much still on an uptrend, even from a daily time frame and on a 4 hour time frame. This is where our next liquidity block is. The market barely tapped into that liquidity block and then started pushing up already. But I'm very positive that this is probably a fake, just to fake people into buying much early, because this is too close and this is a very good place for them to do a liquidity grab in between here and here. Okay, in between this place, very good place to grab some liquidity. So until this market comes down to this level, this is a very good place to go in for a buy. And considering the way this market is actually dropping with the speed, and as if you consider the sentimental aspect of this drop all the way down, um when this gets to this level, the bounce from here will probably be very, very strong. Okay, I'm positive that if the market just keeps grinding all the way down, gets to this level, the rally from here will probably be very, very strong, considering what I'm seeing all the way from here down. Okay, so until this market gets here, this is where I think you should be involved. If you trade gold, I think you should be most interested in trading gold from this level. Okay, this is a good place to trade gold. somewhere around this level. So this can give you, maybe push it back all the way up to get yourself a decent, 1:2.5 or something like that. Okay. So this is what to look out for. Okay. On gold, this is what my analysis will look like typically on gold. So let's check on. Somebody says, seems like you trade support and resistance. Yeah, bro, I trade everything. I trade support and resistance. Then with a my style is retail trading with a combination of SMC. Okay, so a retail trader basically, but I trade with concepts. I borrow concepts from SMC and concepts from liquidity, institutional trading. So that's my trading style. So if you notice, sometimes I just talk basically just support and resistance, price action. Then sometimes I talk or say some things that are related to SMC because I combine both of them. Okay. Every concept in forex trading actually works. There's no one concept that is the best approach. uh Let me minimize this screen so I can say this so that everybody can, be seeing my face when I'm saying this. So there's no concept that is actually the best in forex. Every concept works. I teach my students that there are over 6 or 7 approaches to forex trading. There's SMC, there's retail trading, there's institutional. There are many of them. Okay, and these are all human concepts. It's people like you and I that come up with this concept. If somebody that came up with SMC, started talking about it. Some people claim they are the ones that started it. Some people are claiming, okay, we copied from this person. That's none of my business. But it is human beings like you and I that came up with this concept. So, and these are all approaches. There is none that is the best. Okay, the best I'll advise that you do is to find a way to combine the ones that actually works. Okay, find a way to combine the ones that works for you. Test as many as you can. Find the best way to combine each and every one of them. It will give you an edge. Okay, for instance, I can see a trading setup that is basically, let's say, only suggestive from the retail trading approach, or from just a strictly price action approach, or even an indicator based approach. I can just see a strategy, but by the time I subject it to an FMC approach or an institutional or a liquidity trading approach, you find out that the setup might actually be flawed and might be a trap. But if I have one that every other approach suggests that this is what is going to happen in this market, most of the time, those kind of trading opportunities, this kind of trading setups will give you like 90% win rate. It's crazy, man. So it's always good. Don't try to beef. I see people coming on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, trying to beef strategies. They'll be like, okay, SMC is the best. SMC guys, we're the best. Retail trading will be like, okay, is our style that's working, bro? You guys should take a chill pill. This market is too big for those kind of minion competitions. You guys should come off those kind of stuff. It's not very matured. Okay, so please, come off that kind of competition. It's not healthy for you. We're here to make money. We are traders. We're here to make money. Nobody cares who is the best trader. You just want to make money, bro. What's your business with any other person's concept? You just want to make money. We don't care who is the best trader. We just want to make money. All right. Okay, so let's go. So back to the charts again. Let's check on. You can suggest a currency pair. I can't see check on euro NZD. Okay, somebody said euro NZD. So if you have any currency pair that you want us to check out, please type that on the chat so that we can check out other trades. Now I can't remember whether I announced this trade for you guys, but I took a trade on euro NZD, which was very excellent, did me very well. I can't remember what I took. I announced a signal on that on the WhatsApp or Telegram, but all the same. So let's check. Let's start from a daily time frame. Let me clear all the drawings and then let's go. So on a daily time frame, from what we're seeing on a daily time frame, you can clearly see that this market is tumbled to the downside. Okay, the structure has changed, and this market is definitely on a downtrend. Now, from a daily time frame perspective, this might likely be the next level of targets. This will likely be the next level of targets here. This level right here. This is next level of targets, and on the 4 hour time frame, let's see how far we are from there. Okay, good. Still looking good. So on the 4 hour time, no, this is good. This is good. The person that suggested Euro NZD, you must be a good trader because I'm suspecting what you probably saw. If you're seeing the same thing that I saw on this chart, I mean, that means you're really good. Okay. So, but however, I'm seeing two levels here. I'm seeing the first liquidity block level here, and I'm seeing another one here. If you scale back to a 4 hour time frame, I'll be most interested in this one right here. Many reasons, because a lot of confluences coming together to inform this particular decision. For we're definitely going to put the pending order here. Definitely, we're going to put in a pending order here at this 1.7784 level. And if for any reason it triggers, bro, I mean, go and sell your father's property and put in this trade. Please, na joke, na joke, I beg you. But we're definitely going to put a pending order here. I'm seeing a lot of confluences coming together to, make me to say what I'm saying right now. Um, okay, good. So on the 1 hour time frame, let me see what ATR is. ATR is 22 pips on the 1 hour time frame. So we can do how many pips on this? We can do 50 pips, or let's say 45 pips is decent enough. 45 pips, yeah, 45 pips, they get 1:2. This is very clean, very sweet trade. We're going to take this trade, okay? I'll announce the entries by the end in the next 5 minutes, because we're coming to the end of this live session. We'll be ending at exactly 12 p.m. So um I'll call a trade on this very soon on GBP USD, Euro NZD, and GBP NZD. Okay, I'll give you guys the entry and exits. Okay, so stay tuned. In the next 5 minutes, I'll be doing that. Um, People are preparing to take the trade already soon. Cartier, someone is asking, what do you mean by SMC? SMC means smart money concept. That's what it means. Smart money concept is a concept, that people, it's just an approach to trading, just another approach to trading. It's not special, it's not the best, but it's just another approach to trading. There's nothing, it's not a big deal. Okay, it's just change in nomenclature, basically. Okay, what you call supply and resist, what you call the what's it called, resistance and support is called demand and supply. What you call change of trend is called break of structure. Basically just changing nomenclature, then with added some other added nitty-gritties. Same, bro. So let's check on CAD CHF. Somebody mentioned CAD CHF. Okay, CAD to the CHF. So on a daily time frame, we are on an uptrend, which makes a lot of sense. On the 4 hour time frame, our next liquidity block level is, this is good. You guys are beginning to see in this year, you guys are beginning to become good traders. I love that. I love when people suggest amazing trades that have high potential of playing out. So this is the first liquidity block. Then we're seeing another one maybe under here, but I might not be very interested in this one. Let me scale down to 1 hour time frame and see what it looks like. Okay, good. So this, no, I love this one. You see this second one, bro? I love this one here, because I'm seeing a lot of confluence. Probably our Cash Club members will also be seeing what I'm seeing. For those of you that attended the last class on how to follow a trend like a pro, I know you guys are seeing the confluence I'm seeing. You guys are seeing what I'm seeing. I don't need to mention it, but you guys know. If you know, you know. But this is a very good trade. That's all I'm saying. Okay. So we'll probably entering a buy limit order somewhere here. Okay. 1 hour time frame ATR is about 1 hour time frame ATR. Bro, my mouse is misbehaving again. So 1 hour time frame ATR is 4 pips. Okay, so we can do a 15 pips, no, 15 pips quite small. We can do 12 pips, I think, on there, so we can get a 1:2 risk reward. Makes sense. Okay, good. So but I'll announce this very soon right now. So let's go back. Let's start taking the trades ASAP. So are you guys ready now? Somebody said, I love to hear you talk, sir. You talk more from experience and sense. It was my first Forex class was with you in your office. Really? Do I do understand anything then? I appreciate that. Oh, really? All right, come on, guys. Let's start taking trades. Let's take some trades now. So Euro GB, let's start from Euro GBP. So Euro GBP, like we already mentioned, this is our most interesting key level, or zone of interest, because we checked on a daily time frame and we're seeing that this level, a lot of confluences already. I'm seeing a lot of confluences. But however, basically, what we're seeing here is a very good liquidity block. If you check a 4-hour time frame, and we are also seeing on a daily time frame, if you use a Fibonacci on this, we are seeing that this is in between the 38.2% and 50% retracement. So there are a lot of confluences coming in for us to take this decision. Now, if you zoom out, let me go to, let's say, weekly time frame and show you guys something also. Now, if you check a weekly time frame, on a weekly time frame, you can also see that this market has tested this level multiple times. In fact, this level here, multiple times in the past, and as you guys should already know by now, the more times a level is tested, some say it becomes stronger, but truth is it does both. um Typically, the way I trade, from the second time a market tests a particular level to the fifth time, anything beyond the fifth time, I'm no longer interested, because it starts becoming weak after the fifth time. Now, this is just based on experience. You can go and test what I'm saying in the market. The best time to take a previous support, and if you want to buy from a support, is to take it in between the second time to the fifth time is touching that particular support. Anything beyond the fifth time, bro, run. Oh, it might break out. So what I'm saying is that this market has potential to break to the downside, in which case, if it happens, I mean, there's a lot of peep to the next liquidity block level. Okay, so that's why we're doing what we're doing. So for now, I'm hopeful that if this market comes down here, we are still going to push this all the way down. So we're putting a pending order here. Let me remove this weekly time frame. I don't like having it on my chart, so I'm not tempted to look at it much. All right, so we're putting a sell limit order here. Sell limit order at this level. Sell limit order at this level. At let me start calculations ASAP. So sell limit order at 0.8548. I'll still type it for you guys, so just relax, okay? Take a chill pill. Daddy got you covered, okay? 548. We are risking on this trade. Let me check 1 hour time frame first. Have 4 pips, 1 hour time frame. 4 pips, so good. So we're risking on this trade 20 pips. 20 pips is a decent risk on this. Risking 20 pips and 6 to 2 easily, very easily on this trade. So 8508 plus 20 568. Okay. I think I need to use this other phone to calculate this so that I can. Sorry, guys. I'm doing a phone swap. Uh, just give me 1 minute. No, 30 seconds actually. Good. All right, so let me just calculate and give you guys the entries. Then I'll type it on the chart for you too. Okay. So fear not. Daddy got you covered. 0.85. X. Okay, good. So this is the entry on this. It fix. Stop loss is 85686, and take profit is 85086. Good. So this is no, this is not what she look like. This is not what she look like at all. Okay, 85666. I for fear. Then TP is 85086. 686. Okay, good. So it's exactly 1:2. So let me type it out on the chart. So let me remove this now. So for Euro GBP, sell limit order. Now, please be reminded that you are not under any obligation to take all these trades. You must not take all of them, okay? You must not take all of them. Take the ones that is most accommodating of your account size, okay? Euro sell limit entry is 0.8548685486 TP2. Okay, let's do SL. SL is at 0.85, 0.85686. Then TP2 is at 0.85086. I just remember the guy that came to rant about his prop firm. He blew 7 prop firms. Before you get a prop firm, please know how to trade, okay? At least learn, okay? It will save you a lot of stress. I mean, the guy just came here to come and, pass on his negative energy to us. But it's not our fault that he blew 8 prop firms. And it doesn't make sense that you keep buying prop firms when you know that you can't trade and you're relying on signals. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. If maybe let's say you're getting a robot, it might be relatable, but that you don't know how to trade at all. All right, so that's Euro GBP first. Okay, somebody said I should post my WhatsApp group link. I think to get that WhatsApp group link might be a bit. You can just join the Telegram. Join Telegram. Let me type the Telegram link. Okay, so that's the Telegram link. So you can join Telegram. So that's it for Euro GBP. Now let's move to GBP USD. I'll have to choose between GBP USD and GBP NZD because, of course, you guys know that they are negatively correlated, kinda. They are slightly negatively correlated. And from what I'm seeing, GBP USD comparing this with GBP NZD. Let me see which one we'll have to choose now, because we'll have to choose one. We already have Euro GBP, which has GBP on it. Okay, bro, I'll choose GBP NZD anytime. GBP NZD looks like a better signal to me. Yeah, it does. It looks like a better signal to me than GBP USD. Higher, it has a higher probability, higher chances, at least so I think, based on my strategy. Okay, so this is where we're putting a pending order somewhere here. We're putting a pending order around this level. Let me be specific at exactly 2.0868. So let's calculate our risk to reward on this. Let's calculate our risk to reward on this. I know some people most times come for our live training sessions basically just because of the signals, but I can advise you for free. That's not a very healthy approach to Forex. Even if you want to be involved in any industry at all, at least take out the time to learn, bro. I can't overemphasize the learning aspect. I mean, take out the time to learn. It will do you a lot of good. Even if you don't want to, even if you just want to just give me signal, let me trade and go, just learn something first. At least know the basics. It will help you a whole lot. It will help you avoid a lot of unnecessary drama happening in this industry. I'm telling you. But all the same, let's see. So we're doing 50 pips and we're risking we're hoping to do 1:2 on this, which is uh 100 pips take profit. I mean, of course, this is GBP, so let me calculate the TP. Let me calculate the TP. So entry is at 0. safety. Okay, so stop loss is at 209305, and take profit is at 07805. Okay, good. So this is what we have on GBP NZD. So this is what I have of GBP NZ. We already made some money on GBP NZ. For those of you that missed the signal on Tuesday, Abba, you left GBP NZ the money. Okay, so although for this week I can say we're still, pretty much on break even this week. I think we're still on break even this week. Okay, so let me type out the signal for you guys. GBP NZD, GBP NZD sell limit. Entry is at 2.08806. SL is at 2.09305. Then TP2. TP2 is always 1:2. TP1 is 1:1. Okay, so when you hear me, that's why I don't give TP2. You guys should already TP1. Sorry, TP1 is 1:1. Okay. TP2 is 2.07805. Okay. All right, so that's GBP NZD. I just typed in the chat. Somebody is asking, how do I join the groups? Okay, have we sent the telegram? Okay, what I'll do is probably I'll send one of the WhatsApp group links to Telegram. Okay, so join Telegram, then you see the WhatsApp group on Telegram. Um, what else? Please, sir, where is the location for Abuja for Wednesday clinic? I already typed that. Check the chat. It's somewhere here on the chat. I've already typed the location. Guy problem now impatience. Even from his talk, I could see it in his words. 7 props in 1 week. Who does that, bro? And he's still looking for signal. Money, they'll get him a good mentorship. But it's terrible. Africans are like that. Africans are like that. They rather risk that money and lose it than get mentorship. Africans are like that generally. You don't really, you won't blame the guy. They are like that. Africans are just like that. It's just very bad. Somebody said you have to come and do a seminar in Ghana. My first time here. Ah, bro. One of these days I'll be in Ghana for sure. You always make it easy for beginners. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Please, what are you using for risk calculation? Um, lot size calculation. I assume that's what you mean. Lot size calculation. I use a N Forex calculator, but for risk to reward, I use it. For risk to reward, I use ATL in Confluence with, of course, price action. Okay, supply and demand zones basically. So we have 2 trades now: Euro GBP and we have GBP NZD. So the final trade for today is CAD CHF. Okay, CAD CHF. We are going in on a buy limit order on CAD CHF. Okay, we're going in on a buy limit order on CAD CHF. So we're risking just 12 pips on CAD CHF. So we're entering at I'm tempted to increase this to 15 pips just to be on the safe side, on the very safe side. Because although ATR is quite small though, but let's see whether we can still get 1:2. Let me see for our time frame. Okay, I just hope this doesn't miss our TP with just 1 or 2 pips, but all the same, let's risk 14 pips on CAD CHF. So we're entering at 0. No, that's not where we're entering. We're entering here. Good. We're entering a buy limit order on 0.66623 level. Let me calculate the take profit. 6662. Mm, 6648. Okay, good. So we are our 6623. Good. That's our entry. Our stop loss is at 66483. Okay, good. And then our take profit is at 66903. Good. So this is our trade on CAT CHF. So let me type it for you guys. This is the final trading signal for today. Somebody said he's busy funding his bad habits. You guys are not nice on this chat. You guys are not nice on this chat. Can CHF buy limit. So we're entering. Entry is at 0.6623. 666. Yeah, 3623. SL is at um 0.66483, and then we have TP2 at 0.66903. Okay, 0.6903, 0.66483, 0.66623. Good. So that's it on CAT CHF. Okay. So somebody said Euro, yeah, Euro NZD. Yeah. I miss Euro NZD. Yeah. We miss Euro NZD. We miss Euro NZD. Let me calculate Euro NZD. Let me calculate Euro NZD. No. We need to add Euro NZD, bro. Bro, we need to add Euro NZD. So on Euro NZD, we are risking let me check. ATR is 21 pips. Okay, we're risking 45 pips, which is a bit scary, but then I mean it is what it is. So entry is at 1.77822. So let's calculate 45 pips. Okay, so let's calculate our risk to reward on this. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Let me give you guys entry stop loss on Euro NZD. Okay, so stop loss is that 1.7827 and then take profit is at 76926. Good. Is 1:2 risk to reward. Yeah, very good. I'm positive about this trade. So let me flag it. I use flags a lot. Any trade I enter, I flag it blue. Any trade I'm looking forward to enter, I'm still monitoring, I flag it as red. So Euro NZD, it's blue. That means we're good to go. So let me type the entries out. Euro NZD. Somebody said I can't get the location you type. Okay, let me see whether I can just copy it and paste, because typing it again now is another energy. Bro. Okay, I just pinned it. Can you see it? If you can see, let me know. I just pinned it now on the chat. If you can see it, please let me know. So Euro NZD, let's see. Euro NZD, we're doing a sell limit order. Sell limit. Euro NZD. Sell limit. Entry is at 1.77826. Guys, don't be quick to drop off on the live. I just remembered something I actually want to say before you guys leave. Okay, 7-8. Just want to give you guys a very decent piece of advice, and that will help you. I believe will help a lot of you a lot. Okay, so just wait to the end of this live session before you go, so that you hear what I have to say. Okay, 1.7676926. 7826. Okay, 78276. 77826. Okay, good. So that's it on Euro NZD. I just pasted it on the chat. Okay. Somebody say this one very 66. Hope is not a code group. Someone's asking, do you trade crypto derivatives? No, I don't. Okay. All right. So before you guys go, I want to quickly, first of all, say this. Now, we've said this many times on the chat. For those of you that are OGs on this channel, you've heard me say it 1 million times, but I have to say it again. Trading is a long-term game. Even if you're following signals, learn. Even if you're following signals, just be learning. I know somebody who only thing he does is just watch my signals and he goes to reverse engineer them. Okay, he goes to find, okay, why did this guy enter this trade here? What was he thinking? What was it? According to me, he doesn't have money to pay for mentorship. So the easiest way for him then was, once I type a signal, go and check, try to find out why I entered the trade. And surprisingly, he became profitable. I didn't know how the guy did it, but surprisingly, he became profitable. But what I'm saying is, as much as, even if you don't have money to pay for a mentorship, just be learning. There, I have a lot of free videos, a lot of free training on this channel that can do you good. Okay, this is not me boasting. I'm not selling my channel. I'm wealthy with or without anybody buying anything from me. Okay, so I can tell you that. So, but trust me, it requires a lot of learning and it requires you taking out the time to do so. So don't always just depend on signal. At some point, you need to have the confidence to trade on your own. I'm telling you. So please learn. Okay, take out the time to learn. Don't be too busy that you just want to, where is the next signal, you're following to the next signal, where's the next signal. You do that for 5 years and you find out that you're still following signals after 5 years of trading. 5 years in any industry is enough. I mean, 5 years is almost a medical course in school. So don't waste your time. Okay, find a way to actually be learning. If you can't pay for anybody's mentorship, that's cool. There's a lot of free I learned on YouTube. I'm not ashamed to say it anywhere. Okay, it was towards the end, maybe at the third year of my trading. That was when I started paying for courses, and the things I learned from courses were like 10% or 15%. Let me say 15% to what added to my trading journey and to my trading success. Okay, of course, I will not add. Well, it's a good way if you don't have money. Okay, but however, it took me 3 years of just watching YouTube videos, because at the end of the day, nobody gives you their best stuff just free like that. Okay, so you can learn a lot on YouTube. I did too. I learned a lot. The 10% I learned from mentors, paying for courses, were just additions that, of course, most of those knowledge made the change for me, though. But I can tell you, mm, I learned a lot. There's a lot you can learn on YouTube. Okay, so please make do with the free courses, free trainings that we have and other good mentors out there have. I'm not here to colonize any mentee. Okay, feel free not to. I must not be your mentor, bro. If I don't even want to mentor everybody, because a lot of people are just just love the lifestyle, which I'm not really into. That's like the last thing on my mind. I'm not big on the lifestyle thing. I mean, for crying out loud, I'm a married man with kids, so I'm not. I mean, I think I've actually gone past that level mentally to have to show you that I have money for you to believe what I'm saying. I mean, if you don't believe it, I mean, feel free to go believe whoever I want to believe, right? So that's not my style. So of course, I know not everybody will like my style of trading, which is, I mean, absolutely fine. I mean, this industry, follow what works for you, right? Follow what works for you. It's not follow what really works for you. Okay, what makes you profitable? I mean, follow it, to Antonio, right? Then finally, tomorrow is our financial freedom blueprint webinar. I'm doing a webinar tomorrow. For those of you that are yet to register, guy, go and register for that webinar. It's free. I'll be sharing some opportunities with you guys to make passive income, some opportunities that you might be very much interested in. So I just typed the link for you guys, so you can please go ahead, register, invite as many people as possible for the webinar. It's going to be an amazing webinar. So I'll be sharing maybe 2-3 opportunities that can help you just be making some side income. So you want to invite as many people as possible. The time is, let me check the time again. I think 5 p.m. right? Let me confirm again. No. 1 minute, guys. Let me confirm the time for the webinar again. Yeah, time is 5 p.m. So 5 p.m. tomorrow, we're meeting live here again. on this channel. Let's discuss, let's see way forward for many of you to make some passive income in the forex market. Okay. Somebody said they forgot that you will not be giving signal forever. When you leave for vacation and big moves, you big moves you have this time for them. Yeah, kinda true. Okay, so that said, I love you guys. I wish you guys all the best in the forex market. I'm FX Daddy, and of course, I'm the daddy of the market. Okay, and I want you guys to do well. Okay, guys, they just took the lights, and I think we're already done. So goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Love you guys. Bye.